Ah, motherfucker, my head. Ah.
Alright guys, so I'm inside Walmart and I thought it'd be funny to pull a prank on Brandon, and what I thought I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy bubble wrap and I'm gonna bubble wrap him to his bed tonight when he falls asleep. I thought it'd be pretty funny, so I got bubble wrap right here. I'm gonna throw it in there and prank him later on the night. Alright guys, so he has to get up early for work. He's been asleep for a little bit of time now, so I gotta be really quiet and pull this off quietly. But so as you can see, this was a complete fail. It didn't turn out to what I originally thought because his bed was so close to the wall and plus there's stuff underneath the bed. But I'm just gonna duct tape him so he won't be able to move. He didn't wake up. I honestly thought this would be ruined, and it sucks. I wish that would have worked out. I wish that would have worked out a little bit better, but now we have to wake him up.
What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck did you do? Get this shit. Yo. Seriously, get this off me. Get this off me.
You gotta get it all off.
Ah, motherfucker, my head. Ah, you fucking asshole. What the fuck is it? Ah! Shit! What the fuck, Matt? What the asshole? Seriously?
Good luck.
What the fuck, man?
Good luck getting out of bed.
Come on. You fucking seriously take me to the bed?
Yeah.
Oh, this motherfucker. Yo, get the shit off, dude. Seriously, get the shit off. Mike! Get your fucking dad, dude. You go too far with this shit, dude. You seriously do. I gotta get out of bed. I gotta wake up in the morning for work, asshole. Seriously. And I didn't even freaking wake up. I didn't even wake up for this shit, right?
Are you mad?
You're fucking mad, dude. I want you to get me out of this. I can't even move my legs, dude.
Alright.
I can't.
Hold on. I'll get you out. Just give me like a few minutes. Let me get this end up.
Yo, get the fuck.
No. Let me get this.
Ah! Motherfucker, my hair. My hair, dick. Alright, you're on, dude. I'm gonna shave your fucking head bald, I swear to God. I'm gonna shave your head bald.
Can't even throw. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to smash the thumbs up on this video. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos if you didn't do so already. It's a bummer because that video didn't go as planned, but it still was kind of funny, him freaking out. Brandon, I thank you for being such a good sport about it and not, you know, getting too pissed off at me.
I can't even get to sleep now.
go check out his channel, Brandon DeFevo. He does a lot of vlog style type videos. Kind of what I do, but I do a little bit of everything. I do pranks and stuff like that. But yeah, go check him out. Hit a subscribe button over there. Me and him just shot a prank on a friend of ours. Basically, I'm not gonna give it away. Go over to his channel and check out what we did. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.